Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth and are known for their intelligence, strong social bonds, and long memories. Their trunks have around 40,000 muscles, making them incredibly strong and flexible. They can recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of self-awareness. Big brains. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal, weighing around 5 kilograms (11 pounds). They are incredibly intelligent and can solve problems, use tools, and even recognize human languages. Incredible memory. The saying, "An elephant never forgets," is mostly true. They can remember places, faces, and even past experiences for decades. Emotional giants. Elephants show emotions like joy, grief, and empathy. They comfort distressed members of their herd and have even been observed mourning their dead. Water lovers. Elephants love to swim. They use their trunks as snorkels while swimming in deep water. Super sniffers. Their sense of smell is 5 times stronger than a bloodhound's, allowing them to detect water sources from miles away. Built-in AC. Their large ears act like natural air conditioners, cooling them down by flapping and radiating heat. Communication masters. They talk to each other using low-frequency rumbles that can be heard miles away, sometimes even felt through the ground. Pregnancy champions. Elephant pregnancies last almost 2 years, 22 months, the longest of any land mammal. Right or left tusked. Just like humans are left or right-handed, elephants have a preferred tusk they use more often, which becomes shorter over time from wear and tear.